Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. Today I'm going to give you a quick look and unboxing of the Meko Stylus pack, which contains disc stylus and replacement discs, fibre tips for touchscreen devices such as tablets and phones, and these are becoming kind of a new accessory these days and quite similar to Adonit, as you've probably seen here on site before. So what we'll do is we'll give you a look at the pack, and that's it there. These can be only purchased on Amazon, which they've sent us, and specifications: use the latest technology stylus that is responsive as your fingers and protects your screens and from scratching and stuff like that. Compatibility with all touchscreen devices and smartphones and so on, and it will tell us what's inside the pack, which we'll just show you instead. So first of all, we get a cleaning cloth. So this will be obviously to clean your tablet or phone, which are always kind of riddled with fingerprints, so that's kind of good to see. We then get a little guide here on how to change the tips, and it's quite simple, and this is just an outlay here of the pen itself or stylus. So we have a clear disc, you have a rubber grip, aluminium barrel and fibre tip, and both ends replaceable, and you have a protective cap, 5.2 and 5.5 inches. So these are the stylus in question. You get two, and they're very well built. Actually, they're not cheap plastic, they're metal, aluminium, and they've a nice rubber texture grip here. So there is a lot of stylus out there costing like 50 cent and 99 cent and the likes, and this whole set will cost you about 12-13 quid, which isn't bad. So you have the protective case here on top, which is also screw in, so it's not a pop off cap. So again, and more security to the piece, because these are very fragile pieces, as you can see, and these just swap out pretty easily. And this end here again is the stylus tip, nice and soft, and again this will just screw off like so and is replaceable. So here is the replaceable pieces in the pack. As you can see, these are tiny, and this is the tip here, pretty small as well, and another one here. So pretty cool little pack indeed, and the fact that everything is replaceable and swappable is kind of cool. So it's easy just to do this too. So most of these just come as a single unit, but these, as I said, are metal. They're screw off tops, and again the cap is screwed on as well, so it keeps everything safe and clean. So pretty cool indeed, nice little set, and that's the Meko Stylus pack, which can be bought on Amazon. We'll drop a link below, and we'll have a full review soon. And a nice little pack if you're looking for something like this to carry around with you, similar to a board or whatever the case may be, or in your tech bag, and quite handy, small, non-intrusive, rather like that, so you can stick it in with your Boyros section on your bag or whatever the case may be, or even in your short pocket. That's really it. Comes in different colours too, and as I said, around 12 to 15 euros. And you know, nice, really nice build here. No, not cheap. Rubber textured grip here, metal aluminium frame, and you know, not bad. Any questions? Tech Buzz Ireland, and I'll talk to you in the next video.